Right, so you guys want to know what an auto wrap yarn is? First of all, what I'm doing is I'm just using some mohair to core spin around my core thread over here. And then the auto wrap is this here. It's sitting in a little bowl, the ball of wool, and it is just wrapping itself around where I'm spinning of its own volition. So sometimes it's a little bit tighter, sometimes a little bit looser. I'll just keep going a little bit so you can see what's going on. There's one tip I can give you when doing this, and that is to keep your hands lower than the orifice at all times, because if you don't, your core thread will catch on something and it'll wind around your bobbin in a crow's nest. So you can see here, let me just go over there where it's a little bit fluffy. The core thread just spins around that and it's caught. There we go. That's it. And it'll just wind itself onto the bobbin. Sometimes it catches on my pigtail over there. And I notice it happens when there's no pull. So if you just have a solid orifice, this kind of yarn doesn't require a large orifice. I'm using my aura, but it's not a huge yarn. So once I get going, you'll see it just winds itself over and just creates a little bit of extra texture. It also helps to kind of consolidate the looseness of the core spun, because I'm really just kind of pushing it onto the core thread over here. There we go, and you can see that it follows, it doesn't go through the orifice, or it's not supposed to, and it just wraps around where you're spinning. And that is what an auto wrap is. Okay.